How much YouTube pays for 1 million views? Yes, we have really a viral video with more than 1 million views. How much YouTube pays for that? Shout to myself. My name is Susanne. I live with my husband in Switzerland. And my channel is all about my relationship to my Filipino husband. I guess you clicked on this video because you want to know how much money you can make with a viral video. A video which gained over 1 million views. Please comment down below what do you think? How much is our estimated revenue for this viral video? I'm really excited to know. So when you start a YouTube channel, you have to be aware it takes long. It's really a marathon. But it's really worth it in my eyes. You will see later why. And it should be your passion, your hobby. Otherwise, you lose your energy. I remember I went into a YouTube group, how I can monetize my channel, how I can reach this goal. That was really my big goal. Because I have some Filipino friends which I wanted to support with food during the COVID pandemic, with school supplies and tuition fee for their school. And that's all pricey. That's why it was my goal to monetize the channel. To help them a little. For all who don't know it, you need 4,000 watch time hours in 1 year and 1,000 subscribers. You see here, long time I upload and almost nothing. I was in a long distance relationship with my boyfriend and I really tried to monetize my channel, but you see not a lot of views, almost nothing. It really takes time until you earn something. Then as I traveled to the Philippines, our channel blew up. And then came finally the year I got monetized. It was 2022. We had a viral video as I could go to the Philippines and visit my long distance relationship boyfriend for the first time. The first day we were monetized, I guess, was July 27, 2022. Ta-da! And you see here this big spike, that was it. Look what we gained. 114,000 watch time hours, because that was really that video which made it, which monetized the channel. We gained this year 34,600 subscribers. Yes. So dive into the analytics, and here we see all our videos in the content. So we have to search now the video which got viral views, and we had one video with over 1 million views, right? And you want to know how much we made with this video. Let's search it. That's this video. Get to know my Filipino boyfriend, first day in Boracay. And guys, I really normally invest a lot of time of planning and all in YouTube videos. And never YouTube picked up a video and spread it out and it got viral. And this video, I don't even put a lot of effort in it. And I don't know why, really, exactly why this video got viral. Okay, I know when white people travel to the Philippines and meet their boyfriend, long-distance relationship boyfriend for the first time, it gets a lot of views because it's really interesting to see. But I can't say exactly why this. And then we can click here to our analytics. And now it's really important for you to understand how YouTube pays. There is a CPM, which means cost per mil. That's how much companies pay to make ad on your channel for 1,000 views, cost per mil. Then we have the RPM, that's your revenue. And our RPM is so 30% out of the CPM. See, you see here, it's a very short video that also matters. As I upload this video, I was not monetized. We monetized our channel with this video, guys. That's why I didn't know you have to make longer content, at least 8 minutes, that you can have mid-roll ads. So this video is only one ad, you have to keep in mind. And it's lifestyle topic, it's not finance. Finance has a much higher CPM. Depends on the niche and of course the audience. And here it counts if it's female, male, the age and the geographics. And you see here our viewers are 72.4% from the Philippines. And you can click here more. And here you see, when you click on the video, you see how much you got. We got over 794,000 views from the Philippines, then 72,000 from the United States, and so on. And now to figure out how much we got in CPM, we just click here. And you see here, for example, this British Virgin Islands have a CPM of 28, so companies pay 28 Swiss francs for 1,000 views. Then Australia, United States, Switzerland, and then we go down and we see Philippines is not even on the list. It shows only the top 50 results. But there is an option to show how much we gained from the Philippines. You can download here this list. Now we have to search the country, PH for Philippines. Here we have it. We have gotten almost 800,000 views from the Philippines, and the CPM is 0.64. And you will see later our RPM is so approximately 30%. But guys, I'm not disappointed because of this number, because the Philippines monetized our channel, gave us the opportunity, and in the Philippines it's so much, I really love the Philippines. In the Philippines it's so much easier to vlog, guys. The people don't care if they're on the video, you can ask them, they almost always say yes. And here, very hard to film people. So I really love the Philippines, guys. I love you guys, and the Filipinos are the most supportive viewers. They even comment, don't skip the ads to support the channel. Thank you so much. We really love the Philippines, really. That doesn't mean vloggers from the Philippines earn less, because maybe they have an audience from the United States, Australia, Norway, and so on, which have higher CPM. And now you want to see the revenue, how much we made from this video, right? So we click here on revenue, and you see here our RPM is only 21 Rappen, or 0.21 Swiss franc. And you see here again the CPM is much higher, so that's not even 30%, but normally it's 30% out of the CPM in our case. And since published, we made with this video 226.54 Swiss franc. Thank you so much to all of our viewers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now you know how much YouTube paid us for our viral video. Are you curious how much revenue we got from this YouTube channel? If yes, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and very important, hit the notification bell, this black bell, to get informed when we have a new video. And give this video a like, that helps our channel to grow. Thank you so much for your support. Your Susanne. Bye.